Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a special shop ticket in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Currently, the main way you can acquire special shop tickets in a Pokemon TCG Pocket is by purchasing them in the shop. However, instead of them being available for real world cash, you can only get them by trading in your regular shop tickets. For one special shop ticket, you have to spend 300 normal shop tickets, which is hefty amount and something you'll need to work towards for some time. If you reach in the shop ticket, there is an unlimited amount of special shop ticket available, so you can keep coming back for more if you wish. If you enter the My Card section and go to a 1-star card you have a duplicate of, you're able to swap this for a special shop ticket in the Flare section. You will also need Shine Dust to complete the transaction, so keep that in mind. There is only one use for special shop ticket at the moment in the time, and that is to spend them on special series items. There are some pretty exclusive finds that do look premium in comparison to the regular variant. All of the special series items currently available in the shop, as well as how many special shop tickets you need to exchange. The Special Set 1 Pokemon coin has 12 special shop tickets. The Special Set 1 card sleeve has 12 special shop tickets and more. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.